Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, I'm excited to let everybody know that I've been working on a film. Now, if you followed the channel for a while, you know that the movies here on the channel are made by Iron Gallery. He will be executive producing this film, but this particular one is the first one that I've directed, and I'm going to be starring in it with my brothers, Mark and Duke. It's called The Dalton Brothers and the Legend of Whitey Herzog. Now, if you followed the channel, you know that my brothers and I, we record under the name The Dalton Brothers when we make music. This is kind of an extension of the music. We're going to have a lot of our music in the movie. I'm really excited about it, so I hope you will be as well. So what we're going to do is, this is a trailer that I'm going to show here in a second for the film, and this is going to be part one of 3 trailers as part of the promotional rollout for the movie. The movie will be aired at the Olive Branch Plus channel. I'll put a link at the bottom if you want to go over to the channel, get acquainted with the channel, but the movie will be coming out this summer. So, hi honey. We're almost done. I'm letting them know about my first movie I'm making. I'm really excited. That's Punky. He's ready to get out of here. See? Want to show him that you know about the door handle? Go ahead. Okay. He's trying to figure out how to work the door handle, which is going to be scary because there's no lock on it. We're in a world of hurt if he figures that out. Okay, so here it is. This is the first trailer for my film, The Dalton Brothers and the Legend of Whitey Herzog. It's also, there's going to be a food review in this trailer. It's for the Vermont beef jerky, the Vermont beef stick barbecue flavor. So, here you go.
Howdy! You know, every now and then, there's a story that comes along that's worth a telling. And I reckon that this here is one of them. The story of the Dalton brothers and the legend of Whitey Herzog.
On a bounty. Now, this bounty isn't like other bounties, I'll say that much. The individual we're looking for calls himself Whitey Herzog. And Whitey Herzog is a white squirrel. Yeah, I know what you're saying. White squirrel. There's no such thing. Yeah? Don't think we'd be on a bounty if there was no such thing. But either way, it's a unique situation. So far, a lot of waiting. Wondering. The nights are cold and the days are hot. Well, while we wait for this white squirrel, and while I still have shade, I'm going to review this beef jerky. It's by Vermont. It's barbecue. Well, the barbecue is subtle. But but the beef itself is tasty. I'm going to give this beef stick 6 out of 10 white squirrels.